Astrology, Jyotish Shastra, palmistry, tarot cards, tarot cards. Everyone's wanting to know the secret that life holds for future. How many of you would like to take a journey into the future? Thank you. How many of you would be interested to know how long you would live? There are some courageous souls. How many of you would like to know who your life partner would be? अभी शर्मा गए, कोई हाथ नहीं उठा रहा. अरे हैं कुछ लोग हैं. Oh my God. Astrology is such a big thing. I was coming from some country and it was a free flight, 75 of us. And one man was totally drunk. I was sitting there. He comes up to me and says, Pandit ji, Pandit ji, हाथ देखते हैं? I said, जरूर देखते, लाओ. He stuck his palm out. I said, liver cirrhosis होने वाला है. He said, बराबर बोला. डॉक्टर ने भी यही बोला था. I said, it doesn't require astrology to see the way you're drunk that you'll get liver cirrhosis, you know. One guy came up to an astrologer and said, बहुत प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है सर, बहुत प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. कुछ तो बोलो, क्या है बोलो प्रॉब्लम, आप कुछ तो. Looked at his कुंडली, said, शनि का 7.5 है तेरे को. शनि का 7.5. बोलो तो क्या करेगा साहब, बोलो. बोला तुम 200 रुपया दो, हम पूजा कर देगा, तुम्हारा शनि वनी सब जला जाएगा. तो दिस गाय सेड 200 रुपया नहीं है साहब. सो ही सेड 100 रुपया दे दो. ही सेड 100 भी नहीं है. सर मेरे भाई 50 दे दे. 50 10 दे, 10 में पूजा करता हूँ. बोला 10 भी नहीं है. बोला 1 दे दे यार, 1 रुपया में पूजा कर देगा तेरा शरीर. ही सेड 1 रुपया भी नहीं है. तू बोला तू जा, तू जा, तू जा, 1 रुपया भी नहीं है. शनि क्या बिगाड़ेगा तेरा, तू जा. What will Shani do to you, you know? You get lost to me. If you don't have anything, what will Shani anyways do to you? I'm sure all of us are looking for answers of what would happen with us, isn't it? One who's born will be dead. One who's dead will be born. We have no control. I didn't have any control over how I was born and where I was born. I didn't have any control over what my looks were, what family I was born in, what country I was born in, what socio-economic class I was born in. I had no control over it. And I must say that we truly have no control over when life ends and how we die. Just cardinal facts of life. But there's something that we have control over which can make life beautiful. Therefore, I generally say, life is a journey between 2 alphabets, B and D, where B stands for birth and D stands for death. What is in control is between the alphabets B and D is an alphabet called C. Between B and D is a C, and that C is choice. We can all learn to choose. As we live our lives, we can all learn to choose not to prove, but to improve. We can all learn to choose not to react, but to respond. We can all learn to choose how not to get affected by what's happening in our lives all around us. And it does. Our life is a matter of choices. Live well. It won't easily go wrong. You can't change your situations. You can change your response, ladies and gentlemen.